How to make Nigerian swallow that helps people with diabetics and help with your weight. This is me cutting the plantain. So after cutting this one, I'm going to grind it. Then okay. So that's the oatmeal that you're going to use. You just need a handful of it, or the oatmeal to put and grind with the plantain. Then after that, once you put it on the fire, you just put the spoon. There's a spoon inside the facilum cup, like a teaspoon. Then you just put a little bit of that inside it, and you begin to chop together on the fire, and everything is going to come to. It's not going to spike your sugar. It's going to help you, and the fiber, everything is like a fiber that will make you to go. You will go easily, and your sugar will not be spiked. You are just rinsing it. After rinsing it, that's it. It's ready to grind, to be put in the butcher meat or your grinder, whatever you call it. Okay, so this is the washed, washed plantain. I've cut it, I've washed it. So this is it. And you're going to take the handful of oatmeal. So not too much. This is okay. Then this is the, after you grind it and put this two in the pot on the gas, then you take just this spoon, just little spoon of this facilium husk. You put it in there and you begin to mix it on the fire till get to cook. It's not going to be much, maybe like 10 or 15 minutes. Everything is done. And you eat it with your vegetables, your okra, your choice of soup. Go. So I just blend the plantain with a small handful of oatmeal. So we are just grinding it, and we're about to soon begin to mix it together now. This is the remaining grinded one. I'm pouring everything out, and we'll soon start grinding. And I'm going to put the so now we are mixing it. You can see that we started mixing it just on low heat. So see that it's already forming. And your swallow is going to be soon ready. You can eat it with any soup of your choice. Your lamb, your okra, your egusi, whatever you want to use to eat it. And that's it. You see the way it's coming now? So we go as much as possible to avoid those slumps. I'm just putting a little bit of water just to make it boil with it. That's it. Okay, this is what I'm saying. This is it. This is the way it's going to look like. So you can eat it with anything you want to eat it with your egusi, with your ila, ewedu, any soup you like. You can use it with it. See, it's fiber. It's going to be easy to digest, and it's good for your. The glycemic index of it is not going to be so much, and it cannot spike your blood sugar. It's good. It's good for people that have high blood pressure, blood sugar, whatever. You can eat it. It's going to help you with your weight loss too. So let's try to be eating healthy. Don't let these doctors using us as experiments. Let's start eating healthy. Okay. Yeah. I'm eating it with ila and ewedu. I love to mix my soup. I love to eat it with when I eat ila, I put ewedu. So I love fish. I don't eat meat too much. I only have one fish that I'm eating. So like I said, you can eat it with whatever you like. Your ewedu, your egusi, your any soup of your choice. Because I forget men on it that we eat this food and it's healthy. So that's what we want to get. So it's very healthy. It's going to help you with your weight loss too.